Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the 2026 Harris 230 Solstice. This is going to be black on black on the exterior, black powder coated safety railing, ultra tower, and 250 Mercury Verado on the back. Come on board, take a closer look. All right, welcome aboard the 2026 Harris 230 Solstice. Featured in this beautiful chestnut interior with our charcoal inlay. Starting all the way in the back, we do have our stainless safety rails that are going to double as our fender holders. Now with these chains attached to our 1,000-pound rated ski tow, you're perfectly legal to ride facing aft. We've got our fold down swim seat here. We've got our Mercury 250 Verado. The new lily pad ladder, an incredible feature on this boat, very easy to get in and out of the water. Now coming on here to the back platform, we've got our JL audio controls, charging, and some space for your inflatables. Again, additional charging as well as your power options. So keep this thing plugged in at your dock. Harris staple, the built-in cooler. Tons of storage in this boat, and you can see how everything is outfitted in the fiberglass. Heavy-duty hinge system. Come on, why don't we head on to the cockpit. Stainless walk-through door, and as you're coming in, please make note of this incredible ultra tower. Super sturdy, sleek profile, and great bimini coverage. Now as you come in, you'll see that this seat is a swing back, and this will fold all the way flat. All right, we do have our dual helm setup here. Great for families. Swivel options all the way around. Now over at the helm, we've got our dual 9-inch Simrads as part of our tech package 2. Many features to go through on that. We're happy to go over all of those when you come on in for the test drive. Features, your lighting, all of your options are right here. On your binnacle, we do have the active trim as well as the Mercury digital throttle and shift. Our JL audio head unit here to power this incredible sound system. Raised helm, nice hardy raised helm too. In-floor storage with bilge pump. Right now we've got several goodies in there for you. Extended table, great for preparing lunch or whatever it is for the whole family. Now, coming all the way up here, you've got tons of space in the bow for everybody to sit. Pre-lit cup holders, speakers are gonna light up, tons of storage all the way around. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie, and this has been the 2026 Harris 230 Solstice.